sorry about that abrupt ending right there on part 1. Check out part 2. It's coming right up, right here. Thanks for tuning in. Keep your comments coming. More videos to follow. Who knows? You never know on what. Little Big Man 76. Check out part 2. Thank you. Go ahead, right? Alright. There's, it's not like a click, you just feel it when the pressure, you can feel it when it slides in there, okay. It's not really like a click. Let's experiment with this one right here, see. I can see how some people say, play around, you know. I'm not gonna try to pull that out of there. I think it's in there pretty good. There's hopes. There's hope. Hope with me, guys. That when I turn this baby on, everything will be okay. You'll get a good read on it. And just roll it back in there like that. And get the door. I don't know what Apple calls this door. I call it a little trap door. Blends in really well with the make of the system. This is my first Apple, guys. It's just my first Mac. Got it a week ago. Switched from I had a Sony Vaio RB30. Switched. It's getting kind of slow. Had XP on it. Before I switched, I actually went out and bought a HP laptop, special edition laptop, 14-inch screen. Got Windows Vista, a home Windows Vista Basic on there. Just wanted to kind of get another system with Windows on it, just in case, you know. I had a feeling I was going to sell the Sony. I was looking at Alienware, you know, but I don't do that much gaming on any systems. Just use for work and different things like that. So I figured that I just probably, you know, try out the Mac. Kept my receipts and everything, and thought that I say, hey, if I don't like it, you know, hey, take it back. Got it in and been on it non-stop. Love it. Love the thing. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. See, there's my, got a terabyte right there. That's what I use right there. That one right there for my time machine. Got it hooked up in there right there. And when I do my video editing and everything, I do a lot of video editing using iMovie. Save it right there. 250 gigs is decent enough, I guess, enough space for that. But I got another MacBook 500 gigabyte right there. Give me enough space to save, you know, some of my files and stuff too. So I burn the DVD and different things like that. So YouTube, I'm gonna hook up the cords and everything and check it out, and hopefully she'll recognize that RAM and boost up a little speed a little bit. Be right back with you shortly. Right back with you shortly. Peace out, YouTube. Right back. Right back. Back, YouTube. Alright. Well, let's not keep you guys waiting any longer. Let's do the moment of truth. One thing that let me say right quick before I turn it on is if you guys have any problems just with this, you know, it's not a big concern to me, but because I keep my desk a little close to the wall, about 2-3 inches back there space. She won't fall or anything like that, but she kind of, look how she moves on this desk. You see that? You can just, you know, seem like the feet on the bottom of here, this little rubber part right here. It seems like it should, you know, stick, you know, kind of like, you see how the MacBook is? So, got those real rubbery feet here. Apple kind of slipped up on this, I think, you know? Check this out, even the links is, you know, different. Even my little digital camera got the little, you can see the little rubber area right there where she won't slide that much on this desk. Right here. But she won't follow anything, so I mean it's just a little something to add about. I wonder if anybody else picked that up and let me know. Alright, let's fire up. Let's see my book pop on. That's USB. This one here is FireWire 400 right there. I use 500 gig right there also that I use for Time Machine. This Linksys here it's okay, you know, it kicks out probably once or twice a week. I said, you know, give it another month or so and I'll probably get Time Machine. Probably sell my book on eBay. See, rolling. Man. Rolling. Bam.
Authentication. Window. Table. Has keyboard focus.
Okay. Let me sign into my account.
Brian Wilson. Password. Secure edit text.
Bam. Changed my desktop. Went to Disney World, me and my family. Pretty nice. Love it there. Love it. Been there 3 times in the last 4 years. Beautiful. Go America. Alright. QuickTime Player. How's that popping up there? Oh, okay, I know why. I got the welcome video screening in. You see the music playing in the background. There it is right there. Let's get that off there. Got a force quit here on Apple, on iTunes. Force quit that. Force quit that too. Alright. Turn off there. And let's go and see about this Mac. There we go. Take it in real slow. 4 gigs. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me blow the screen up there. Hold on right quick. Bam! 4 gig. 666 megahertz DDR2 SDRAM. SD RAM, baby. Right there. There he is. There we go. There he is. Alright, YouTube. It's your boy, Little Big Man, signing out. It's been a pleasure. Hope I help you guys out some. Feel free to leave comments. Anything. Peace out. Question.